How to fix YouTube videos suddenly getting dark on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and then tap on the accessibility option and then tap on the display and text size option you see there. Further, go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for auto brightness, as auto adjust can make videos look darker than normal. Further, go ahead and open the YouTube application on your device and then tap on the U option at the bottom right. Further, tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen and then tap on general and then on appearance. Here you will see the option for a light theme. Make sure to choose the light theme option, as sometimes dark mode affects video perception. Next, go ahead and open settings on your device and then tap on camera and then tap on record video. Here, make sure to turn off the HDR video option you see there, as HDR can make videos look dim if your screen is not handling it well. Next, you can also simply try to increase the in-app brightness while watching a video or manually increase the phone brightness. Also, make sure that low power mode on your iPhone is disabled, so open settings and tap on battery and then on low power mode and then toggle the low power mode toggle button off, as these modes reduce brightness. See if that helps, and if not, then you can simply try to restart the YouTube application. So swipe up on your screen and force quit the YouTube application along with all the apps running in the background and see if that helps. If not, launch the settings application on your device and then tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, navigate to YouTube and tap on it and then tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again and see if that helps. If not, then open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for YouTube and make sure the YouTube application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update the app. If that does not help you in fixing your issue too, then open settings again and then tap on accessibility and then on display and text size. Here, go ahead and turn off reduce white font and color filters, as these can make everything look darker when enabled. You can also simply try to test different videos, as some videos are naturally darker, that is the cinematic grading. So these were a few ways on how you can fix YouTube videos suddenly getting dark on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.